To edit page permissions in a notebook, open the notebook and click on Class Notebook, and then click on the triple dots and select Manage Notebooks. From here, select the notebook you wish to manage, and then select the collaboration space permissions. This will list each of the pages that are within the collaboration space and will let you edit who is visible, who can see each one. When you click on the pencil, you will see that these are the people who have access to see this page. You can select or deselect somebody by simply clicking on their name. You hit save when done, and then the back button. So you can see that these are all the spaces with collaborations. Within the junior committees, this is everybody. And then you hit close, and then you have edited the collaboration space.